We're looking at houses today with Kendall and Sherry. Interesting note about Kendall is she used to work for our company.
She got married and left our company for a time, and now she's back. Kendall has been living out in the country, and she and her husband, Kurt, were building a house there, and after he passed away, it's just become kind of a lonesome place for her.
Bring it back. In December 2019, my husband was killed in a car accident on his way home from work. I really want to move and find a home in Laurel because I really want to find that city again with a community and friends behind me.
Kendall's furniture that I've seen that she already has is really a lot of beautiful antiques, traditional, classic pieces. So we want to show her traditional and classic houses.
Also, she's got a huge Great Dane.
Hans is a horse.
So this is the gray house. It's actually not gray.
It's yellow, but it's cute, right?
It is cute.
Leslie and John Gray bought the house around 1939 and then lived here about 30 years. And they ran Gray's Grill. It's 3 bedrooms, 1 bath, 1,600 square feet, and they're asking $110,000 for it.
Okay. I really like the windows.
Aren't
Yeah.
they pretty?
They are pretty.
Yeah.
The porch is a little
Cattywampus.
Yeah.
It's kind of leaning this way. It needs a little love,
Yeah.
and I have a painting to show you.
Take it back to gray.
Yes.
That's really cute.
That's
Yeah.
nice.
You like it?
Yes, I do.
It's a little rough on the floor, but just ignore that. What do you think?
I can see past the roughness.
Yes.
I really like the fireplace that it's centered in between the windows.
So we would want to get the fireplace working and freshened up with a new mantle, paint the walls, repair the rod on the windows, new light fixtures, and we need to refinish the floors throughout the house.
This is the bathroom.
It's the only one, so we'll address that in a little bit. And here's the kitchen. Really, really big kitchen.
Big kitchen.
Huge.
It is a really nice space.
It is.
Honestly, bigger than I thought it would be. Nice, big, already fenced in.
Yes. The fence seems to be in good shape.
Yeah,
I think it would be a nice backyard for you guys.
That's right.
it would be.
Keeping the numbers fresh. This one's 1,600 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 1 bath, and it's listed for $110,000. Everything that we would do would come in around $100,000, so you'd be all in at $210,000.
Okay, so below budget.
This is the McCraney house. Martha and Wayne McCraney bought the house in 1969 and then lived here right up until recently. They owned Smith & Son department store, which was on Front Street. It's 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 2,100 square feet, and this one's also listed for $110,000.
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, the sidewalk looks a little cattywampus again. And we would fix that, by the way, so
Okay, good.
don't worry about it. I think this house is just gorgeous.
I like it. I really like that ivy with the staircase. Oh, I love it.
Oh, it's kind of a bronze color with a deep green front door and a cream trim, and I would want to keep all this ivy,
Yeah.
but we'd have to get it off of the wood siding because
Right.
it's not good for the structure of the house for it to be in the wood siding.
Very yellow. I see a color theme going on.
Yeah, but it has its positives. I think it's really unique.
It's something different.
We take down the wallpaper, we take down these cabinets,
Okay.
take out all of the counters, the flooring, and bring in a new configuration. Tuck the refrigerator into here, have all new custom cabinets in the kitchen with your oven and hood vent right here on this wall.
Okay.
Keep your sink where it is. We could open up this wall and give you a peninsula right here so you would have bar seating for people who want to hang out while you're cooking, but then we get to see this amazing butler's pantry because right now it's hidden. And it's the coolest thing about the kitchen.
Yep.
The thing about this kitchen is Miss Martha really did care about design
Yeah.
and fashion, and I'm gonna honor that in our own new, fresh way.
A little more
Yeah.
modern.
Yeah,
All right.
just go in a different direction.
Yeah,
It's
pumpkin-y.
Oh, yes.
orange.
Very.
Knock, knock.
Everywhere.
Who's there?
Orange.
Orange who?
Orange, you going to buy this house?
Hey.
But the good thing about this really ragged carpet is we can see what's going on with
What's
the floor.
these
That's
pretty?
cool.
It's really
is this
pretty.
pine?
Mm-hmm.
Yep,
Oh,
it's
those are nice.
beautiful. It's pretty special.
Oh, wow.
It's a garden.
It's pink.
Yeah.
It's pink, but also like notice down here, it's got tongue and groove
I
from
do
the
like
chair
the
rail
tongue and
down.
groove.
There's a bedroom here.
So just get your eyes on it
Okay.
and remember it, and we'll come in here.
Okay.
This would be,
Look at this bed!
Oh, my gosh.
all right, so there is a little bit of a catch with this one.
Okay.
All of these renovations would be $125,000. So it'd come in at $235,000.
So $10,000 over budget.
Yeah.
A little over budget.
A little over budget.
But it's such a cool house, right?
It is a cool house. I gotta
Think
think
about
about
it.
that. Yeah.
Yeah, you got time.
Think
It is
about
a
it.
very cool house, and it could be even cooler. What if she doesn't like either one of these? Are there any more yellow houses that we could show her?
I mean, think about it. So have you been thinking about houses?
I have.
Have you bought a house?
I did.
I kind of heard that.
Really?
Really? It was a tough decision, and I picked the McCraney house.
Oh, wow.
I did.
Oh my
The
gosh.
location, the butler's pantry.
Yeah.
Yep.
So you'll be right between Brooke and Allie.
Okay.
And Ebony, you'll be around all your friends. It'll be so great.
I know. I'm excited.
Even if it's a little out of her budget, I thought that Kendall might go with McCraney House because it is surrounded by all of her closest friends.
So cabinets are out.
Yes, all the cabinets are out.
We're not saving the wood, we're not saving the doors, nothing.
Hit it. I think you missed it. Hook it, Katie.
This is gonna be the easiest wallpaper removal. Like,
It's not even touching the wall.
this is the most satisfying part of my day.
I like that sound.
Hey,
Cabinets are down.
cabinets are down. You wanna?
So we get some daylight in here now?
Well, we can kind of see what it's gonna look like.
I think this is the best place to start on taking out carpet. Ugh. It kind of smells like old books. I've smelled worse. This is a positive, honestly.
No, it's just really dusty.
Hey, there we go. This is just so strange how it looks like this floor has never been varnished at all. I know that we need to get the ivy off the treads of the steps.
The steps just need a good grooming.
Yeah, they do need a haircut. I was just thinking, like, how do you remove parts of the ivy and keep the ivy in places where you want it? And then I thought you need something to cut it very precisely, which made me think of the rotary cutter that Ben's mom uses, which made me think about pizza cutters. I just am curious if it works the way I think my imagination believes it will. So let's try.
You gotta really, dig in. This is kind of like my pizza at home when I just left it in there about 3 minutes too long.
Uh-huh.
It really is so pretty. There's not many places in Laurel that have this.
Exactly why we must preserve it. We want to keep it on the risers and cut it only off the treads.
We got a lot of stuff going on today at
Most
Kendall's
importantly,
house.
paint.
I would say the sidewalk's most important.
No, the paint. I've been excited about it for a long time.
Mauricio!
Hello?
This is gonna be so cool. So we're going with a way darker paint because for one thing, I want the trim to look dramatically different because that's gonna become cream. The house will be dark brown, and then that will also make the ivy really pop.
We've got a lot going on right now. The kitchen's getting finished out.
The landscaping's happening. They're about to dig up for the new flower beds out front.
Light fixtures are going in.
Yes, good lighting coming in. The bathroom details are like being buttoned up. It's starting to get cozy.
Yeah, you're gonna be home just in time for trick-or-treating.
I know. I'm gonna have to get a bunch of candy. I gotta prepare.
And I'm really excited for her. I feel like this is gonna be a comfort moving into this house.
your house was not offensive before.
No.
But look at this. Welcome to the Semino house.
Oh my gosh, it's
I
so
love
cute.
it.
The
Looks
windows,
so
it
good.
looks so much better. You can actually see them.
Uh-huh.
I knew the house had potential, but honestly, this kind of exceeds my expectations.
Good.
I'm so excited.
Yes.
I love the color.
All right.
Oh my God. It's so pretty. Wow, this
Love
is
it.
way better than anything I could picture.
Yeah?
Yeah. Like the fact that this is part of the kitchen now.
It needed to be. Like, that being closed off felt wrong. It feels so good that
This
it's
feels
part of
so much bigger.
And now she
Like,
can enjoy that because that is her favorite piece
Yeah, that was my
of the whole
favorite. That
house.
sold me on the house was the butler's pantry.
it. It's beautiful.
Whoa, that looks so good. This
Isn't that
makes
Yes.
so much more sense as a dining room. A lot of people wouldn't like that it's like kind of compartmentalized.
I
but
love it.
I love it because you have all the doors, the windows. It just,
You speak my language, Kendall. I like room. And I like little nooks. That's what makes a house interesting.
Yes. Oh, yeah.
so pretty in here.